Bayambemba. Abwebatero. Boba na kipeni. Ane mpasiko. Ane kumputu mambu mabalu kiri. Kiamfu kitabu kiri. Amunderi dasu kiri. Yeah. Kuntukiri kumakuyi. Kuikwenda mambu masaki. Kumputu kiamfu kitabu kiri bayari. Yeah, bisukiri.
Hey, Yambemba, mambo nkame. Hey, Yambemba, Yesu bisukiri mama boka.
Benubale kibimba manga bisakiri. Kumputu minderi baba tukiri kulondi kiamfu kibwi bayari. Yeah, bisukiri.
Hey, Yambemba, mambo nkame. Hey, Yambemba, Yesu bisukiri mama boka.
Abayai, marimwangazi, uike yanga batase, wanguri pindi, tamangwana, uiko ganga tabawaku, uike yanga pimba kabo bana, uiko ganga pimba kabo bana, tukiri kumakuiri, uikwenda mambu masakiri, kumputu kiampu kitabuki, bayai, beya bisukiri,
Yambemba, mambu nkame. Hey, Yambemba, Yesu bisukiri mama bonga.
Abale. Yeah. Amenu Madagascar. Yeah. Julio Rack from Madagascar, s'il vous plaît. Oh yeah. Mariaya, Maringwakati, uike yanga batasea, makuri mbindi, tabangwana, uiko ganga tabawaku. Hey, Yambemba, hey, Yambemba. Kundukiri kumakuiriri, uikwenda mambu masakiri, kumbutu kiampu kitabuki, bayai, lukwa lungandi.
Hey, Yambemba, mambo nkame. Hey, Yambemba, Yesu bisukiri mama bonga. Yambemba lukale. Yambemba lukale. Yambemba lukale.
Unale.
Yambemba lukale.
Makelekele.
Yambemba lukale.
Kuna boku.
Yambemba lukale.
Kuna boku.
Yambemba lukale.
Mama, kuna ntona mbata.
Yambemba lukale.
Ukisantu kuna levu.
Yambemba lukale.
Nangiringa.
Yambemba lukale.
Kuna boku yaya.
Yambemba lukale.
Yambemba lutale.
Yambemba lukale.
Kuna ngiringa.
Yambemba lukale.
Kuna boku.
Yambemba lukale. Yambemba lukale. Yambemba lukale.
Valérie. Pour vous, mesdames et mesdemoiselles. Isabelle Gonzalez. Parce qu'on est en Europe, hein, c'est la femme d'abord. Kuna beaucoup. Mama kuna ntona bata. Ukisantu kuna lempu. Kuna ngiringa. Kukipa kuyaya. Selembao kitoki mosi. Moussa, Burkina Faso. Colin Laroche, France. Quel mélange. Et le chef du groupe qui aime faire beaucoup de bruit, les abracadabra. Emile Biayenda from Congo Brazza. Et nous sommes du même clan. Il est mon Congo, moi aussi je suis mon Congo. La langue que nous chantons, c'est le Kikongo, qui va du Gabon, Congo Brazza, Congo Kinshasa et l'Angola. Cela ne veut pas dire que nous sommes régionalistes. C'est la culture. Et voilà le Mangwana Band international. Yeah. Mama kuna ntona mbaka. Ukisantu kuna le.
Pangiame ya mula luwezo Konterano kumenga mamosi Kikundi kajenwa yonge Denta vokupele sige mwendo Mokena yendenta compadre Tukakanda toma fukila Oke wa uko tumukili uzoa Badanga nandenda kemanta didiko Mayala lele Solaziana, a compadre, a tu Solaziana. Luisa silange kanda wenye kwandenda Monterano que waya kile kumbadi tuzola ziana Kintuka makanda kete kiasikila makuku matatu Kutusale Kenda wele kwa niyaya Wabopila bandongi yaya Wanyi kakangula Wabopila bandongi yaya Wanyi kakangula Tuzola ziana Eto mawila angamatamu Kiendi Kamwendo kwe Keba ukusero muka Eyaya Keba na yoe Keba ukukashe Badi kiendi Kamwendo kwe Keba ukulana E mama Keba na yoe Keba ukukashe makunga kuna mbeu kuna kipokolo emalo makunga kuna mbeu kuna makela kiendi kama endokwe keba ukusemuka eyaya keba nayo keba ukutashe badi kiendi kama endokwe keba ukulamina emama keba nayo keba ukutashe emangwana yaya kozonganye makela mukaba usiki mukwatunga namba soso kikamatamu emangwana yaya makokola mwenda kimbele mwana kimukwatunga sanza unakangola songo na bebe emangwana yaya unambeu kuna kipokolo emalo makunga unambeu kuna makela kiendi kamwenda kwe keba ukusana eyaya keba nayo keba ukutashe mabwigi emakina lukwezo lukebi enjo mangwa ekononga lindo mikolai masaki ekuba sinde nana lukusokela kake mamu luvunu lwenu bajati sinda kitoloka eyaya keba nayo keba ukutashe badi kiendi kamwendo kwe keba ukulamina eyaya keba nayo keba ukutashe emangwana yaya kozonganye makela mukaba usiki mukwatunga namba soso kikamatamu emangwana yaya mwelu makokola mwenda kimbele unakitesi yaya swandika sanza ulimikaje emangwana yaya songo emalo makunga kuna mbeu kuna kipokolo emalo makunga kuna mbeu kuna makela kiendi kamwendo kwe keba ukusemuka eyaya keba nayo keba ukutashe badi kiendi kamwendo kwe keba
Ana lukoki pasinkene wakunde minsambu nadamu nsimfyafi mungo manisanga keba utakwenda kutalimani makwe kwenda ni kwenda yaya utakwenda kutalimani makwe kwenda ni kwenda yaya kutalimani makwe kwenda ni kwenda yaya utakwenda kutalimani makwe kwenda ni kwenda yaya ana lunye ana mambuya lutela kuna luko minsambu mimunuka samu nsimfyafi kakeba yani kakeba minsambu mimuno amambuya aluye lutela kuna lukoki lukoki takwenda katalimani makwe kwenda ni kwenda ya 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 anambeli ana lukoki aminsambu mimunu samu nsikivumu keba Abusunna tamakuanza kamantairu kumunu. Kebange. Alukko. Wame min sabu munu muntim fiafi. Kamantairu kumunu. Alukko kikeba. Ana mambuya. Ana luye. Lutela kuna lukko kikeba mubima imunu. Lutela. Obi makasuri kalomba. Kayamula baka mumayela mambi. Utakwenda kutalimani. Kwenda ni kwenda yaya. Utakwenda kutalimani. Kwenda ni kwenda yaya. Kikazaya po. Kontu mutu kandaria. Utakwenda kutalimani. Kwenda ni kwenda yaya. Ilu vila ni anikontu mutu kandaria. Utakwenda kutalimani. Kwenda ni kwenda yaya. Alukoki. Kebangai. Ange muntu mphumune unambeli ngai. Siku tebi sa kifumu. Keba. Alukoki. Nge muntu mpumu mfumbeli. Kamantari. Keba minsambu mimunusa munsimfia fingai. Ansalu simili mbeli. Ikutela vo. Utakwena. Utala manima. Keba. Otali kumanima. Makutali kwa kulukoki. Keba inso. Keba inso. Kontu muntu ikanda ya nilukoki. Asaya. Kontu muntu iluvila ya nilukoki. Abu. Minsambu mimunusa munsimfia fikeba. Utakwenda kutalimani. Kwenda ni kwenda yaya. Ukokita kwenda kutalimani. Kwenda ni kwenda yaya. Utakwenda kutalimani. Kwenda ni kwenda yaya. Ukokita kwenda kutalimani. Kwenda ni kwenda yaya. Munsambo osiri, mas munambeni munsambo. Ufiri. Oh. Obusegi fulo na lo pocket nete munsambo munzimfia. Muntumbo munzimfia na lo pocket. Ange bilu mbiaku, nata minsambo miminu. Kebange na lo kise kutebe sege. Ange muntumbo kumune kunambe. Fumumbele kungemusa. Kebange na lo pocket. Utakwenda kutalimani. Kwenda ni kwenda yaya. 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 Aluko. Bukakiri munsamu munu kutalimani. Otari kumanima. Kamandari kuluko. Kwenda ni kwenda. Ngemuntu nkombo na mfumumbeli. Bona minsamu mungano baka usanga mumbeli akwe. Analo koki. Kebangai. Mfumumbeli. Ikutela ngekeba minsamu mimumu. Diabi kuanga kanji minsamu. Keba. Omunsamu mpimba. Ane tebereki fumbo. Mana kamandari kuko. Keba minsamu mimono. Lukoki. Ayaya. Lukoki kakwenda katalimani. Kwenda ni kwenda ya. Lukoki kakwenda katalimani. Kwenda ni kwenda ya. kwenda kata ni manima, kwenda ni kwenda ya. Lukokida kwenda kata ni manima, kwenda ni kwenda ya. Oh, geni kisalu. Sala kwani kasala ya mo. Kanzi. Oh, wili kakanzi di munsango imeni. Always sosa munsango. Waiting in Hama.
Tokolonga Mona mère Rogatien Milor Garo Marca Mama. C'est vrai, très souvent dans la vie nous vivons des situations difficiles et même compliquées. Toujours à la ligne d'attaque, en train de forger l'espoir perdu, sans ignorer les valeurs en nous. Motivés et déterminés, nous y arriverons certainement. Tant qu'il y a l'espoir, un jour la lumière apparaîtra. Hakuna Matata. Unissons-nous malgré nos divergences. Et ensemble, we are one, you and I, let's stick together. Lego, Kolanda tenzela ya mabe, malembe malembe tokukoma, mokili tondi magambo ebele, ya sala na kimya, eloko nyose koma kanangonga nango.
Hello, Tata David. Kiambote. Kiambote, Tata David.
Kiambote, Tata Mpanzu.
Nama vimpi, eh?
Mnava mimpi.
Oh, tutondele. You are alone today, Tata David. Did you know that?
Oh, okay.
Oh,
Yeah, it looked at first like there might be others.
fingers crossed. Let us hope that Ellen's coming. Okay, never mind. So, thank you very much for your time. Let us greet the audience. If you are watching, we thank you. This is Kikongo class. Kikongo is the language of Congo Kingdom, spoken in Angola, Gabon. In Angola, Gabon, yes. Congo Kinshasa and Congo Brazzaville. Thank you very much. Okay, we're going back to our usual class, usual lessons, yes. I'm sure you can see my screen, Tata David, yes?
Yes.
Yes. If you can read, please, you just need to honor our elders, our ancestors. This us, yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Please. If you can read the Congo language.
Kalongi Maki Congo Kizombo by Professor Hazel Carter and the Reverend Joao Makondekwa. Joan Hazel Carter, 2202-1928 to 308-2016, received her doctorate with her dissertation, Syntactic Tone Phrases in Congo, Kikongo Language.
Yes. Thank you very much, Tata David. We thank Tata João Makondekwa, thanks to Professor Hazel Carter as well, yes. We would be here. They did well, yes. Without them, we wouldn't be here. Yeah, carry on, Tata David, please.
The course is designed to teach you to speak rather than to know about Kikongo. These are special teaching drills, not testing drills, as in some language laboratory courses.
The last one, before the last, I think.
Mm-hmm. In 2001, Professor Hazel Carter received the Distinguished Services Award from the African Language Teachers Association.
Yes, Kikongo is a tonal language, of course. Different tones distinguish different meanings. Yes, You give the meaning by the way you say a word. I mean, your pronunciation, yes. Tutunde Tete David. Negative adjective concepts. Yes. Diambuti kiwao kwe veke diambuti nkutuko. Okay, I'll read the first line. Tete David, you read the second, please.
Okay.
Diambote kiwao kwe
Ve Kidiambute Nkutuko.
yes, kidiambote nkutuko tutondele. Dialudi kiwao kwe
Ve Kidialudi Nkotoko.
yes, thank you very much. Remember, let me try to
Or should it be
highlight.
Nkutuko?
It's correct. Nkutuko, yes, it's correct. Let me just try to highlight something. Remember, I mean, I keep saying something. This is how you write Congo. This K
Mhm.
twin, so there, yes, the twins, yes. It doesn't matter how long the is your sentence, as long as you have a K, Kutuko, you always have ko at the end, yes. Tutondele. Ludi, let me just try to highlight again. Yeah, Ludi. Ludi. This prefix is singular. I mean, literal translation, let's try to translate. Not correct, but then just say, the Ludi, it's true, one truth, quote unquote, yes, one true. Maludi, M-A, always plural, many truths. Yes. Okay, yes. This is the Ludi. Ludi is true. Ludi is there, yes. When I say the Ludi, I'm referring to one thing, one history, something, one singular. Maludi, I mean, you wouldn't translate it into English, but many truths, quote unquote, yes. You get it? This
Like saying, like saying it's all true.
Many truths, quote unquote, yeah.
Okay, so more like
man.
all these things are true.
Correct. Yeah, well done. Yeah, yes. One thing is true, all these are true, yes. More or less, yes. Okay. Your CV is amazing. Amazing, you could say strange, yes, CV. The CV, we have people, Kikongo people with the name of Masivi, yes. The CV, let me just try to, you read the second line, please.
Okay.
The CV, Kewaukwe.
Ve Kediasivi Nkutoko.
Yeah, Kidasivi Nkutuko. You could just say Kidasiviko, but Nkutu is there. Emphatic, yes. Nkutu is this. Yes. Kidasivi Nkutuko. Again, this one is K. Goes with Ko. Kidasivi Nkutuko. Are you okay with negatives? We double negatives, Yankee Congo. Keiko, yes? Yeah. Yes. As soon as you see K, it could be key, ka. When you see ko at the end, you know that it is a negative clause, yes. Tutundele. Yampim pita. Kewaukwe.
Ve Kediampim Pita Nkutuko.
Well done. I like this long vowel. Pim pita. Yes, well done. Yes, sikila. Okay. Let me try to explain this word. I mean, I can't do better than them. Sikila, this is translation is correct. Okay, let's take that. But sikila means firm, yes? Firm.
Firm.
Yeah, to be firm. Okay, here we will say correct. Okay, that's fine.
Like a firm offer on a property.
Yes, correct. Done deal. Oh, done deal. Yes, we are sure. Yes, in this sense, yes. Sikila. Dia sikila. Kewa ukwe.
Ve kejasikila nkutuko.
Wow, well done. I like you. The way you pronounce Kikanga. Very good. Okay. We are not insulting people. Okay. Zoa means stupid, yes. Let me try to highlight this. Zoa. Zoa means stupid.
Why do we need the prefix ki?
Yeah, that's I want, this is the exact thing I want to explain to you today. Whenever you see ki, Zoa is there. Zoa is adjective, yes. As soon as you put ka, it becomes a substantive, yes. Let me just say, Zoa means stupid. Kizoa stupidity. Are you there, Taddev? Yes.
Okay.
Zoa stupid. Kizoa stupidity. Yes. Yeah. Let me try to find the word. I can't now. Are you okay, Taddev? Did you?
Yes.
Yes. Kizoa. I mean, it's not me. This is the how you write Kikongo. We have a key here. 3 words in one. Yes. Dia Kizo. Yeah.
Okay.
Question, Saturday.
No, I see it now.
Kizo. What's words? Okay, I can't think of the word right now. Next, let's see. Move. Diangangu. Clever. Ngangu's clever. Diangangu. Kewakwe.
Ve kediangangu nkutuko.
Tutundele. Luvunu. Dia Luvunu. Luvunu, okay. Untruth, okay, fine. But Luvunu, usually we say lie, yes? Luvunu.
I was going to ask you if that means exactly the same as it's a lie.
Yes.
Jaluvunu.
Luvunu means lie, yes? Dia Luvunu. I mean, when you say dia Luvunu, I mean this is you're pointing something. This is untrue. This is a lie, yes. Dia Luvunu kewakwe.
Ve kedia luvunu nkutuko.
Tutundele kedia luvunu nkutuko. Okay. Okay. Nkenda, I mean this is your word. Nkenda, pity, sad. Diankenda, kewakwe.
Ve kedia kenda nkutuko.
Diankenda kutuko, yes. Tundele. Okay. Let me try to break it down, yes. Nda is there. This is your prefix qua. Nda is far. Yeah, this is the word far, yes. Nda. I mean, Kwanda. Okay, sorry. Let me just try to correct. Kwanda. Okay, we mean it's far. Yes. Kwanda. Yeah. Kwanda kwa kufi. Yes, I'm correct. Yes, kwa is still your prefix because I think the next slide say kwa kufi. Kwanda, it means far. Kwanda kewakwe.
Ve kikwanda nkutuko.
Yes, thank you. Kikwanda Kutuku. Yes, here we are. Kwa kufi. Kufi meaning kufi close. Near, yes. Yeah. Kufi near. So your prefix is kwa. Yes, Tata David. Kwa.
No, I can't say that I understand that because we were using ja to indicate it is basically with most of the other words, but why is it?
Okay, I see. Okay, this is different. Yeah. It's different. Yeah. Because this is, I'm not sure if I could say kuna because we're talking on location. Yes.
Mm-hmm.
It's like a kuna pre.
Oh, okay. Because these are about
preposition. Location. Yes, the locative. Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Kwanda. Kwa kufi kewaukwe.
Ve kekwan kufi nkutuko.
Yeah, kufi nkutuko. Yes. We're done for today, Tata Devi. Thank you very much for coming. Any questions?
No,
Yeah.
I don't remember going over these before, so this was good. Thank you.
Okay. Yeah, Tutondele. Thank you very much, Tata David, for your time. Have a good week. We'll see you next Sunday then.
Okay, Sala Kiambote.
Win again with Tutondele.
Timba, Kaimbe Shetemba, Ira, Papi Salomou, Villiers-Longa, les coordonnateurs, Père Mandela. Tony Masudi, Ali Bokuma. Eli Kwayeno. Dr. Nelson Sorry, Nicolo. Mamalandu. Magwar Kumpo. Philippe Kamango. Memba Masagila. Zotoru Kanu. Mutukuina yaya. Mungu
Franck Mami. Politisa. Keita Koulama. Saint-Jean-Dodo, la San Diego.
Eba kuzame ngai na ngengola zame, ngengola zame Quella come mula Congo, un builo per mungere un mundilo Congo, e un bangusa mentunghi di un mundilo Congo, e non la zambe si se le muna Congo, io campo io pone che ne muna Congo, oh muana numba bante le muna Congo, oh muana numba bocche le muna Congo, oh aitate muna Congo, aitate muna Congo. Matanu si more che ne muna Congo, si può bilanga pakundu muna Congo, e nundu si pelekete muna Congo, e nundu si pelekete muna Congo, ila che se tuna muna Congo, ila makinu tuna kinna muna Congo, patata visa tuna kweto muna Congo, mba mama visa tuna kweto muna Congo, olsolele kumambu menno muna Congo, mono ngeli kombe muna Congo, kendika ngeli kwenda muna Congo, oh mono ngeli kombe muna Congo, mono ngeli kombe muna Congo.